to me, whatever it takes means showing up for our tauhi. I work at Real Respite Youth Whare in Tauranga. It's like a nice, warm, safe home for young people between the ages of 13 and 18. A lot of our rangatahi, they'll walk in and you can see their face change straight away as soon as they walk in the door. Like they thought they were coming into like a hospital, a clinical setting. And then they see the way that the whare's laid out and you can see them relax straight away with just that. I love to make them feel safe, comfortable. I want them to be able to come to the staff myself if they need to. I had a few challenges with my older two children and I had a lot of support. Once they got through that, I felt I wanted to go and see if I could make a difference in another whānau's life. Sometimes they don't have anyone showing up, so I show up every day, just being that person that they can see who's there for them. I really try my hardest to be as authentic as I can because they need to know they matter, that there are people that hear them and see them and are there for them. I feel quite humbled doing this work. I feel quite honoured to be able to walk alongside our tauhi.